Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nalema Patricia, but I'm here to take you through YouTube. So, Google. From Google, at YouTube. So YouTube is international. There where people can use YouTube to make their videos, like people can do what? Anything on YouTube. Even when we are recording these videos, we are using YouTube. So now, as we wait for our Wi-Fi to connect, you know my Wi-Fi also is disturbing. So this is YouTube. I've opened YouTube there. If you want films, if you want football, if you want to upload what, anything. Now here you can, when you're looking for my YouTube channel, I think you can go here. So that's my YouTube channel. If you want to look for my YouTube channel, just go here and it will bring it so that's my table of content, PowerPoint. So that's what we call YouTube. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.